Okay, hey guys, what's going on? Y'all, I'm so excited to do this video. Okay, as y'all can see, well, y'all already know what it is from thumbnail, but I have another McM Reveal. Y'all, I got such a good deal on this backpack. It don't even make no sense. Now, I have been looking at this particular, because I didn't know anything about this backpack until it came across my feed on YouTube. And so I had looked at this one young lady's video, and she had the cognac color. So I was like, oh yeah, that cognac color is cute. So I had been looking at POSHMARK, because that's the only place I've been seeing them, because I don't think they don't sell this particular backpack anymore. So I had went onto POSHMARK, and all I was seeing was the cognac, and they were still kind of, you know, pricey or whatever. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna lay back and just keep looking or whatever. So like always, it was well, it wasn't a late night. It was like an early morning, wee hours of the morning. I was scrolling on POSHMARK, y'all, and it popped up. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm sorry, that was my daughter calling me. Okay, so anyway, it was like a late night or whatever, and I was on POSHMARK, and I saw this backpack popped up, and I was like, I know she is not asking this price for this backpack. Because y'all, this backpack retails for $825 brand new. So anyway, I went through there and I looked at all the pictures and all that stuff or whatever, and I was like, she gotta be kidding me. Because I also had this same backpack in the same color and everything. I had it saved because another young lady was selling for like $800 or whatever. So I had it saved. So I went real fast. I was comparing the pictures and make sure it's authentic or whatever, y'all. It's authentic and everything. It's real and everything or whatever. So I saw another young lady on there. She asked the girl for more pictures. Mind you, she had already put probably about 10 pictures up there anyway or whatever. I'm like, girl, you up here asking questions, babe. I'm finna buy this bag. So y'all, I bought the bag, and here it is. So let me show you guys. Ooh, I was so excited. So it came with the original dust bag and everything. Ta-da! Y'all. Oh, it's so cute. So this is called the McM Essential Visetos Original Small Backpack. And it's in the color Phantom Gray. And like I said, it retails for $825. Y'all, tell me why she sold this bag for $210. And I snatched it up real fast. I sure did. Y'all, I was so excited to get this bag. I was like, yes, ma'am. At that price, I will take it. Thank you. Y'all, it's in good condition. Like I said, it's not a brand new bag, so you can expect to have a little scuff here, scuff there. I'm fine with that, because at that price, I wasn't even tripping or whatever. And she did let it be known, you know, what was wrong with the bag, any scratches or anything. Which it was just scratched up on the little nameplate, which is expected or whatever. And then right here on the handle, it had a little white spots right here, which I got some of it off. There's still a little bit on here where she said she had it hanging on a door handle or whatever. I'm fine with that, because at that price, I'm fine with that. I'm not even tripping about that. But y'all, here it is. So here is the front. Let me scoot back some. There is the front. Here's the side of the bag. And then here is the back of the bag. It does have a little magnetic, well, not a magnetic, it has a little pocket right here with a little button. So there's that, and there's the other side, and then here's the bottom. There are no feet or anything on there, so there's the bottom. So what you do is you just twist that, raise that up, and then here is the inside, which I put some little, once I got the bag, I wiped it down real good, and I washed my dust bag and all that old stuff. So I just cleaned it up a little bit, just wiped it. It wasn't dirty or anything, but I just want to sanitize it. And here is the inside of the bag. Super duper cute. And it's actually a little bit smaller than what I thought, which I'm glad about that, because I don't like really big backpacks or whatever. So I'm glad that it's a little bit smaller than what I thought. But it does have a little back pocket right here that you can put some items in. And then if you flip it over, it has another pocket right here that my phone should be able to, my phone to fit in. And I think my phone will fit. It fits right there too, but it don't go all the way down, just sticks up, which that's fine with me too, or whatever. And this is the coated canvas with the leather trim and the monogram print. Super duper cute. But I still do like that cognac color though. But I don't know. This one backpack should be enough. But yeah, here's the inside. I have an iPad mini. Let me see. Nah, that's not gonna fit. So that's a little bit too big. But I just wanted to see if that will fit, just to give you kind of an idea. Here is the care card and stuff. Super duper cute. And it does have MCM right there. It does have the MCM on the little thing right here. And it does have the MCM on all of my hardware, because I compared these pictures to the other lady pictures that was selling the same exact bag, just to make sure it was authentic. Which I haven't seen just a whole bunch of fake MCMs, which I know there are plenty of them out there, but I just haven't seen any. And you can wear this as a crossbody, which it did come with the extra set of straps, the extra crossbody strap. This is the thicker strap, and it does have MCM on there. So here's your extra crossbody strap and your adjustable thingy. And then here's the other strap that I can because you can wear it like a shoulder bag too, which is why I got it attached to those two. Or you can put this and just wear it like a normal backpack. Just attach that to there, and then attach this one, which I don't know why I buy backpacks and I don't even wear them like a backpack. I just wear them like a regular shoulder bag. I don't know why I do that, but you can have that to where you can wear it like a backpack, and then you can adjust the straps also. So yep, y'all, this is the cutest. Oh, it's so cute. And this gray, this phantom gray is so pretty. I wanted the MCM reversible tote in phantom gray, and they did have it at Fashion File, but it sold, so I wasn't able to get it or whatever. But then I got this one. I was like, oh, this will do for now. But if I do come across one of the MCM reversible totes in the phantom gray, I will be getting it, because I love, they have some really nice totes. So I would like to have it in that, the beige and the pink also. Basically all the colors, except for that red. That red is a little bit bright. It's pretty, but it's really, really bright. Pretty, pretty, pretty. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, and I was excited to get this backpack at the amazing price that I got it at. And like I said, it's cute, cute, cute. And you just use this just to tighten that up, to close it. And then you do that. But like I said, I do still like the, I still wouldn't mind getting this in the cognac color. And this also came in the phantom gray, the one that I have. I've seen it in the cognac color. I've seen it in solid black. That solid black is really pretty. I've seen it in white. I've seen it in beige, and I've seen it in pink. So it comes in a variety of different colors. They had the beige one on Fashion File. It sold, and right now, no, they had the pink one also, and it sold, because I had it saved in my favorites and it's no longer there. So that one has sold also. But if you go onto Poshmark, you'll see the cognac one. There are several cognac ones on there or whatever. But like I said, I'm not willing to spend that amount right now for a backpack when I got this amazing deal on this one. So like I always tell y'all, be patient, keep looking, because if it's a piece that you want, eventually you'll be able to get it. You know, somebody maybe just be trying to hurry up and get rid of it or whatever, and you might come across you a amazing deal. I haven't seen this bag on Mercari for some reason. It's always popped up on Poshmark, so that may be your best bet as far as getting this item. So yeah, y'all, my little MCM collection is growing pretty fast because of all the deals I've been finding. So y'all know I'm all about a good deal, and this right here was an amazing deal. But I just want to show you guys my little quick find from a Poshmark. And if you guys have any questions, like always, let me know. Bye.